Welcome to a new mini tutorial in Photoshop. Let's take an image we want to add a neon glow effect and using image brightness and contrast. Let's make it a little bit darker so the glow will be more pronounced. Once you're satisfied, go to the Layers tab and add a new level. For a fast approach, I'll use a custom shape tool. I'll use the one called Talk 1. Draw the shape, click on selection and OK. Now using the Paint Bucket tool, fill the image with a color. Go to the Layers tab, RMB on the new created level and select Blending Options. Check on Stroke, set the size to something around 13. Click on Color and change it to white. Click on Blending Options, Default and set Fill Opacity to 0%. OK to close the panel. In the Layers tab, create a new layer, select the one with the effects and the empty one, then RMB and select Merge Layers. On the new merged layer, do RMB and select Blending Options again. Check the outer glow, click on the color box and type the color you want to glow. Click OK. Set spread to 2 and size to 21. Now check inner glow, click on the color box, set the same color you used before. Change blend mode to multiply and size to 1 or 2. Check the drop shadow, change its color to the same one, the angle to 90 degrees, blend mode to luminosity, distance to 11, size to 20. Now that is all set, click OK and the effect is ready. Thanks for watching.